Welcome aboard, cruisers, and thank you for joining us once again for our daily cruise news updates. Let's go full steam ahead with 4 stories as Royal Caribbean decides to cancel cruise with passengers already on board. We have Carnival changes Alaska itinerary, a challenging Coast Guard airlift, and one more huge story. So join us as we delve fully into all these stories, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Venice in Italy has introduced a daily access fee for day tourists, effective from April the 25th, to manage over-tourism. The €5 fee applies to visitors, including cruise ship passengers, on select high-traffic days, aiming to reduce crowds and preserve the city's heritage. Exemptions exist for residents, minors under 14, and overnight cruise passengers. The fee operates from 8:30 AM to 4 PM on specified days, impacting cruise passengers arriving on designated days in 2024, with MSC Sinfonia and MSC Lyrica being the first affected vessels on April the 27th. The US Coast Guard successfully evacuated a 65-year-old male guest from Holland America Line's Koningsdam on April the 25th. The airlift occurred approximately 175 nautical miles west of Tillamook in Oregon, while the ship was en route to Victoria, British Columbia during its 22-day voyage that began on April the 5th from San Diego. The guest, injured earlier, required advanced medical care beyond the ship's capabilities. Responding to the call, the Coast Guard dispatched an aircrew from Astoria, supported by Sacramento, and successfully airlifted the guest to Oregon Health and Science University Hospital in Portland. The ship resumed its itinerary unaffected and arrived in Vancouver on April the 27th. Carnival Luminosa's inaugural Alaska voyage for the 2024 season will undergo slight adjustments, with 2 ports of call experiencing modified times. Departing from Seattle on May the 1st, the 8-night journey includes stops at Icy Strait Point, Juneau, Skagway, Tracy Ann Fjord, Ketchikan and Victoria before returning on May the 9th. Guests were notified via email of the changes to the Icy Strait Point schedule, originally 12 to 8 PM on May the 3rd, and Juneau from 7 AM to 9 PM on May the 4th, with further details to be provided. Pre-booked show excursions will be automatically adjusted, while independent travellers must coordinate with their tour operators. No reasons for the adjustments were disclosed, and they don't appear to affect the ship's operations. Guests aboard Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas, eagerly anticipating an Alaska adventure, found themselves in an unexpected comedy of errors. Originally set to depart from Vancouver in British Columbia on April the 26th, technical hiccups delayed the journey. Despite hope of boarding, repairs persisted, prompting a cancellation announcement 24 hours prior, with passengers already on board. The revised plan was to have the ship depart on April the 28th, with an adjusted route and calls to Icy Strait Point and Ketchikan. Now the entire sailing has been cancelled, while the ship continues to undergo repair for a technical issue impacting its propulsion. Passengers receive full refunds and future cruise credits, with added perks like free drinks and internet access. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video, and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.